Having trouble with Zelle Error Code 2900? Don't worry. In the quick guide, I will show you how to fix that step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Update the Zelle app. First, make sure you are using the latest version of the Zelle app. On iPhone, open the App Store, tap the search icon and look for Zelle. And on Android, open the Google Play Store, tap the search bar and find Zelle. If an update is available, tap Update and wait for the install. Once done, reopen the Zelle and check if the issue is resolved. Step 2. Clear app cache. If updating didn't work, try clearing the app cache. Press the hold and the Zelle app icon, select app info, tap clear data and clear cache. After that, restart the app and see the problem if gone. If the issue still persists, try restarting your device and reinstalling the app. If nothing works, contact Zelle's customer support for further assistance. Hope this helps. If did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. See you in the next one.